Okay, so this is what you're gonna need to clamp the outside of the hole on each side, on the top and bottom, so you can squish it together, is what I'm thinking. This part right here has separated, is coming out to this hole, in that hole. So what you need to do is make sure that you make that, close that gap again. Alright, so I've created a hole here. It goes in, cut a hole, and it's all baffled throughout the rest of the boat, but right here it's in such a way that it's started to come apart, if you can see in there. So it started splitting. I think they put a tape there, how they initially sealed it. And I've tried to get it all dry in there, but it's giving me a hell of a time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sand all that in there, and then I'm going to tack it with glue, or sand it, clean it with toluol, and then tack it with glue, and then right here take a clamp on each side of this side and on the underside of the boat and squish it together. So wish me luck. So now I glued it, and now it's, you can see in there. Glued all in there. I sanded it, and I glued it just in this portion here that it's separating, all that. Glued that. Some's a little peeping out there. And then I'm gonna clamp it with those two clamps, and pretty soon here. So stand by.